Do you need a CPA or do you need an EA? You need to find out. By the end of this video, you will know which one to choose, because choosing the wrong one will cost you money. But before we jump in, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe, because you can afford to miss out on any wealth building information. Now let's get after it. CPA versus EA. Let's talk about the difference of licensing. CPAs are licensed by the State Board of Accountancy in the state that they hold their license in. EAs, enrolled agents, are licensed by the United States Treasury Department. Most CPAs have gone to school and have received their degrees in accounting, and they sit for the Certified Public Accounting exam. EAs are tax experts who sit for an exam that is 100% tax law, and it's a 3-part exam that you will not pass unless you truly understand income taxes. What's their specialty? What's the specialty of a CPA versus the specialty of an EA? CPAs that are certified public accountants, their specialty is accounting. They receive their undergrad degrees in accounting. They sit for the certified public accounting exam, and they focus on making sure that financial records are correct. They look at audits and things of that nature. So CPAs really are hardcore accountants, and they understand the world of accountancy and the various financial statements really, really well. Enrolled agents tend to be hardcore tax people, because in order to become an enrolled agent, you have to pass the C exam, the special enrollment examination. And on that exam, it's all about individual income taxes, business taxes, ethics, and all the tax procedures. So in order to become an enrolled agent, you have to eat and sleep income tax. They typically specialize in taxation, and they are licensed in all 50 states. Your business is being audited. Who should you hire, a CPA or an EA? Well, it really depends on what type of audit that you're having. There are 2 types of audits. There's the financial audit, and then there's the income tax audit. If your books and records are being audited financially so that you can procure a bank loan, so you can guarantee some type of investment, then you need to hire a CPA who's qualified to do financial audits. When they are working on financial audits, they are verifying that your financials are accurate. They will send out letters to banks to verify your balance. They will send out letters to your vendors to verify that you do business with them. Therefore, the CPA is verifying the factualness of the financial statements. The enrolled agent focuses on income tax audits. If you are in an income tax audit, I would advise looking at the enrolled agent. Why? Because their background is income taxation, and most enrolled agents represent before the Internal Revenue Service. What does that mean? That means that they not only prepare income tax returns, but when your tax return is being questioned because you're getting a letter in the mail, or if your return has been selected for audit and you need to be able to not only justify the expense, but also justify why you have the expense on the return, then you really need to look at an enrolled agent. Enrolled agents not only understand tax preparation, they understand the income tax audit nuances, and they understand the procedures and how to engage with the revenue officer and or revenue agent. So you want to hire an enrolled agent if you're looking for someone that understands income taxes, business taxes, if you're in an income tax audit, or if you have a problem with any taxing authority. You want to hire a CPA if you are looking for a certified public accountant, someone that knows how to put books and records together very well, someone who can validate your financial statement because you have a financial audit going on. And now that you know better, you got to do better. That is why I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, because you cannot afford to miss out on any of this wealth building information.